Hello and welcome to this 25B demonstration of Oracle Cloud Benefits Activity Center. In this session, we'll review the new feature, the business need it addresses, how it works in the system, and the key benefits it provides to administrators. The redesigned Benefits Activity Center replaces the existing Benefits Service Center, adding new features to person search attributes, saved searches, and filters. Businesses need greater flexibility and control over the benefits administration pages to improve clarity and the user's experience. These new features help streamline the benefits administrator's tasks by improving efficiency, reducing manual effort, and enhancing the overall user's experience. I have logged in as a benefits administrator and I will navigate to the Benefits Administration tab. I see the new Benefits Activity Center tile, which will automatically be displayed once you enable the Redwood Benefits Administrative Enrollment profile. Clicking on the tile will take me to the new page. The page will automatically load, showing me employee information. It will load the first 25 employees, and as I scroll down, it continues to add employees. In the keyword search area, you can search by name, person number, business title, or primary work email. The name and person number are defaulted, and the business title and primary work email can be enabled using the search views. You can optionally enable fuzzy search, which will return the nearest like words. Example, if I enter walkin instead of walker, I will see like words like walker listed here. If you wish to use the fuzzy search, you will need to enable the profile. All searches are based on the current date or the effective as of date. The worker type, assignment status, effective as of date, and life event status filters are defaulted. There are a total of 29 filters you can use to help narrow down your search. Using the search views, you can add or remove the filters you have defaulted here. To use additional filters, I'll click on the Filters button, which will open up a drawer. Here I can see those additional filters such as worker type, life event status. I can filter by pending actions, terminated employees, person attributes such as name, person number, worker number, and also by showing primary assignments only or show people with users accounts only. When using filters, the OR condition applies when you're working within a single filter. The AND condition applies when you're utilizing multiple filters. Clicking on Clear will clear all of the filters I have listed here. Each filter contains a bucket aggregation. This is very helpful if I'm looking to work on only those employees that require an approval for a submitted life event. This will allow me to see those employees and then navigating in to take care of those actions for that employee. I could also filter those employees who have court orders. It'll only show those employees who have dependents attached to the court order. And the aggregation number will change based upon my filters. So if I click Employees, and then I click on Started Life Events, we'll see that my worker number has decreased. This number will also change based upon the actions you perform. So if you processed a detected life event, the number 1916 here would reduce and the started number would increase to 28. If the filters have no values, they will not be displayed here with the exception of court orders and billing. They will always be displayed. I can also determine how I want to sort my information. I can sort it by relevance, name A to Z, or name Z to A. Let's search for a new person. And in the results area, you will see that name defaulted, the assignment number, assignment status, and person number. The worker type, legal employer, work email, and work phone number are not defaulted, but you can enable them using search views. Now let's look at saved searches. There are no default searches. You must create your own saved search by clicking on the saved search icon. There are three types of searches. System searches, which are saved searches created by the system user, and they must have a role of HCM integration specialist or applications consultant. Only system users can create, update, or delete system saved searches. The system searches allows you to create searches that can be used by all of your benefits administrators. Personal searches, which are searches created by users. Users can create, update, or delete a personal search. And the personal shared searches are searches created by a user which can be shared with others by a copy link functionality. These searches can be created by selecting Enabling Sharing checkbox on the personal searches. Let's create a new saved search to return life events that might need an administrator's action. First, I need to do my filter. So let's do one for life events that are in detected status, awaiting approval, and are in unprocessed status. Then I will click on my saved search icon. I will then click on the plus icon. Let's enter a name such as life events requiring action. I can enable sharing, and I can mark this as my default saved search so that every time I enter the Benefits Activity Center, it automatically runs this filter for me. You can only have one default saved search. Now, I have the administrator functionality, so I see the system settings. A normal user will not see this information listed here. I will click on Save and Apply, and now I see my saved search is listed here. If I exit the Benefits Activity Center and return, I will see that my saved search will default the information needed. I can see that it's listed here as a filter. I could click on that and see what was included, and then I can come through here and perform actions on the employees. If I need to update a saved search, I will come into my search area, click on my saved searches, select the search, and then I can share it with another member by clicking on the copy links and sending that to that individual. If I want to take an edit, I can click in the edit icon, and I can then disable making it a defaulted saved search, or I could disable the enabled sharing. I can also delete this saved search, or if I made changes, I can save the search. Now let's look at the search views. So I'll navigate to Home. Click on My Client Groups, then Show More, and scroll down to Data Exchange. And select Search Views. Here I will select Benefits Person Search. Here you can change the view name, the description, and unchecking the Show Results before entering criteria will prevent the Benefits Activity Center from automatically returning employees when you enter that page, and note Saved Search Default has been enabled. On the Keyword Search tab, I see that the name and person number are enabled and defaulted. You cannot uncheck those. But the work email and business title can be enabled. They are delivered disabled. On the Filters tab, you have the 29 different filters that you can select from. Clicking under the Show area will display them in that filter area under the keyword search. You can go through here and click on those items that you use most. Clicking on the Results column, I see that the name, business title, person number, and assignment status are delivered enabled. You cannot disable them. You can have them not show. The worker type, work email, work phone number, and legal employer, you can enable and show those. Under Sort, you can disable the name A to Z and the name Z to A. You cannot disable relevance. Click on Save and Close, and then return to the Benefits Activity Center to see your changes. Now let's look at the prerequisites you need before you use the Benefits Activity Center. You need to have your profile options enabled, and you would do that at Setup and Maintenance, Manage Administrator Profile Values, and at Site Level set it to Y. You also need to run the Ingest Benefits Person Search Data process to be able to use the search feature on the Benefits Activity Center. Here are the common jobs you would run, their parameters, and also the suggested schedule that you would run these jobs. You access the Benefits Activity Center via the Benefits Administrator, Benefits Manager, or Benefits Specialist roles. A new privilege has been created, the Search Benefits Person privilege. By default, this privilege has been added to the above roles, and it must be added to any custom roles. And the data security of Manage Person must also be added to any custom roles. Now let's review what to do if no search results appear on the user interface. If you see the message of service unavailable or Oracle Search Cloud services isn't available, then verify that your profiles have been enabled. If you see the message Benefits Person Index unavailable, or run the initial ingest job for Benefits Person Index, then validate that your Benefits Index is enabled. And if you see the message Regenerate Access Control List to the search the person, then your ACL data is not available for your logged in user, and you need to run this process for your user. And to validate that your data security profiles are correct, use the Diagnostic HCM Benefits Search Person Index Diagnostic Report. For more detailed information on batch processes, access and privileges, troubleshooting, and the diagnostic report, see the Customer Connect session HCM, Enhancing Search Capabilities in the Benefits Activity Center with Oracle Search. This concludes this demonstration. Thank you for watching. You can refer to the 25B What's New documentation for more information on these features.